Screencast-O-Matic is a screencasting and video editing tool that can be used to capture instructional videos, lectures, and more. PLU faculty and staff can contact itech at plu.edu to gain access to the pro version of Screencast-O-Matic. When Screencast-O-Matic is launched, the home window will appear. All previously captured recordings will display and can be reopened for editing at any time. To create a new recording, click the Record button to the top right. The home window will close and the record window will open. Select the desired sources from the top of the window. Screen will capture the computer screen only. Webcam will record the webcam feed only. And both will capture the screen and webcam. In the following example, both the screen and webcam are captured. To set a maximum recording length, click Max Time and make a selection. We recommend leaving this set to None in most cases. Next, click Size and make a selection. We recommend either full screen or the highest setting possible to ensure a high quality recording. To set a custom size, click and drag the white L-shaped handles that appear in the corners of the black and white boundary box to the desired size and shape. If capturing audio from a microphone, such as for a voiceover, click Narration and select the desired device from the list. In the new window, click Auto Adjust Volume, and then click OK. For better audio quality, we recommend checking out a USB microphone from the help desk. Next, click Computer Audio. To capture any and all sounds that the computer will make, select Yes. Otherwise, select No. We only recommend recording computer audio when necessary to avoid any unwanted notification noises from being captured. To access advanced recording options, click Preferences. Configure the settings as desired, and click OK. When ready, click the red Record button. The recording will begin after a brief countdown. Go through the presentations or planned actions, and when done, click the Pause button. To start the recording over, click the trash can icon and select Yes, Start Over. To continue recording, click Record Again. To end the recording session, click Done. Then, to edit the recording, click Edit Video. Or, to export the recording to video without editing, click Save/Upload. More information about Screencast-O-Matic, including editing and exporting instructions, can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.